My video is about removing pop-ups by the website doidacers.com. Doidacers.com is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you download some potentially unwanted software, some unwanted browser extension that would obviously do certain things that are not really decent. For instance, such extensions may actually function as a browser hijacker or as adware. So if you see those pop-ups by doidacers.com, don't interact with them and don't install whatever they promote. If any junk extensions were installed, you need to get rid of them by accessing the menu, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove any junk extensions like that. Also, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and then start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.